Welcome cuties. In this vlog you'll see me go through. Yesterday was the most physically tormenting day of my life. Stupid! Or is it? Peak adult experience, I think. I almost forgot ये बात बताना. बहुत गंदे लग जाएंगे मैं. I get retard maxing. I support retard maxing. I'm like, fuck off. Do you want them to pick you up? Get in line with Sydney Sweeney and Bonnie Blue. It's 4:30 p.m. I got here at 1. And finally, we're in new hostel room. There is a lot we have to do. That space is not mine, it's my roommate's. We have to deal with all this and not kill us. I'll continue vlogging when I have some progress. क्योंकि अभी अगर मैं vlog करने लग गई तो there is no way I get to sleep tonight. Thank you. And keep watching to see my misery. I feel like इतने दुखी vlogs डाल रही हूँ मैं. At this point, my audience has to be masochist people who just love seeing me in pain. But it's okay. I love it.
The next day.
I'm so tired. I cleaned this entire room and filled it up after emptying my last room. So tiring. This is such a torture. I have to go take a few classes right now, and then I have more classes, and then in the evening I have a meeting. And I will not kill myself. Yeah. I hope this adulting thing is not as fun as I thought it would be. Please, I want to go back. Okay. 10,000 animals actually nicer zoom.
Later that same evening.
You might be wondering what about this top angle, but you are currently hanging off my new hostel room's cupboard. New angle for getting ready videos. My bed, my kids. I get the ick to watch people dancing on Instagram, but I can dance in my room and post it on YouTube, and it's not the same. This is the new angle that I discovered, and it's hurting my neck now, so I'm gonna change it. Hello, bitches. कि तुम बोलते सिंगल 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 ते मैं भी सिंगल 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 पी जाओ तेन गुट मार के. Went from Taylor Swift to DSH to Sabrina Carpenter to My Labubu. Actually, new room, new music taste, new nicer. Actually, I was supposed to leave by now. नाच गाने के चक्कर में अभी नहीं नहीं नहीं. I feel like in the song the woman is trying to shoo the guy away, but she's also afraid he'll kill her if she shows some sign of being not interested. So she's being a little considerate. Yeah, I love this bag. I want to take this to class and cosplay my Psyduck as Labubu, but it's too heavy for one shoulder. मैं तो 2 shoulder पे बैग लगा के जाती हूँ. नहीं वाला. I don't think I can, but it looks nice with my fit. Let me show. I don't think मेरी कोई लबूबू रेफरेंस समझेगा इस Psyduck ले जाने से, बल्कि मेरे को पागल और बोलेंगे कि Psyduck क्यों लटकाया हुआ है इसने. I'll stick to my pink bag, I think, and ruin my fit. Kill me. Stupid! Or is it slow? Maybe it's useless. But there's a cuter word for it. I know. It's 25. मेरी क्लास ना other corner of the campus में है. You're killing me.
The next day.
Amidst all the working and adulting, I forgot how much vlogging gave me joy. Now I just spend my days swamped with work and nights crying about how much is left the next day. Peak adult experience, I think. So I have a class right now. Coming back, I have a meeting. I need to stop yapping. I need to blow dry my hair because what in the Salman Khan is this hairstyle? Also say hello to pimple. I bought new heart-shaped pimple patches because they were सारे star-shaped. So now I'll be seen wearing hearts as I know it was gonna stop me. You unboxing. I have to. It's currently 1:10. I have to leave around 1:40. I have half an hour. Let's put half hour ka timer. When Taylor Swift came out with the all too well 10-minute version, I used that as a measure of time a lot of times until I got sick of it. I used to perform it for everyone, jumping on my trampoline in my room. That was high school for me. 6 घंटे का टाइमर लगा हुआ है, पता नहीं क्यों. Our 30 minutes start now. इस रूम में आके I've been loving natural light क्योंकि मेरा बेड natural light के पास वाला है. I think that is the reason. मैं इससे फेमस हो गई ना, तो फिर ये सब्सक्राइबर्स ओनली वो बनाऊंगी यूट्यूब. और फिर ना ऐसे सब्सक्राइबर्स ओनली मैं ना ऐसी कॉन्ट्रोवर्शियल बातें बोलूँगी जो मैं अभी बोलते बोलते चुप हो जाती हूँ. तो जैसे गाली गलौज जैसे डिमीनिंग नहीं, बस जस्ट जैसे कॉन्ट्रोवर्शियल होंगी वो. यस. अगर मेरे को 100 लोग भी मिल गए ना वो ज्वाइन करने के लिए, ऐसे बिल्कुल 50 रुपये में रखूँगी. कोई मेरे को मॉनेटरी गेन, कुछ बंदा इंसान अपनी खुशी के लिए भी करता है काम, वहाँ पे बताऊँगी मैं अपने रियल थॉट्स. Intrusive thoughts. Actually, I should stop yapping. I sat down to make the list of what we'll do in the next 30 minutes because yes, I am an avid list maker. I should stop over exaggerating. It hurts my brain. Okay, story time. Story time. I almost forgot ये बात बताना. So yesterday I was in class and there was this girl who was just straight up very energetic. There were 3 girls in the class and like 15 boys. Like we had to form groups of 4 or 5. And I turned to the girl next to me. Not her, the energetic one. I turned to the girl next to me and I was like, do you want to be in a group? And she's like, yeah. Oh my god, okay, let's do. And we were looking for other teammates. And then this girl comes to us and she was like, सारी लड़कियाँ एक में मत जाना, बहुत गंदे लग जाएंगे हमारे. I was like, what? We are taught the same thing. And if anything, I was listening, so I knew कि नहीं लगेंगे. आसान चीज़ है. Long story short, people could not form their group, so the teacher formed them for us. All 3 of us were in the same group, along with 2 more guys. Then again, she's like, मेरे को तो कुछ नहीं आता. Like, I get retard maxing. I support retard maxing. If you are playing dumb to get your work done, go off. I support you. She just wanted for the guys to be like, oh, तेरे कुछ नहीं आता. And I'm like, fuck off. What are you on? We performed the whole experiment and she was just laughing and giggling. And that doesn't make her a pick-me. And that just makes her an uneducated loser. And I was telling the codes to the other girl and she was performing them on the circuit. Energetic one was not doing anything. So if you're not going to do anything, then तो लग ही जाएंगे ना. Doesn't matter if there are all girls in your group or all guys. But when we were done with the activity and we were supposed to like dust off the place so that it's ready for the next group, and then when it was time to dust off the area, she was the first one to run off and get the dustpan and dust it all off. And I was like, do you want them to pick you up because this is too much? And I'm not saying in any way that cleaning is a woman's job. I'm just saying that if you say that you're better at doing what a woman does and then dusts it off, then you're setting us 100 years back. Get in line with Sydney Sweeney and Bonnie Blue because you're not doing any better. So yeah, that was my rant / story time / cry for help / kill me. Because I just can't with people like these. I downloaded my material for my tomorrow's second eval while I was communicating my griefs. And we still have 5 minutes left. So I'm gonna go through that material real quick and then we'll leave and hopefully don't encounter any more depressing situations while in class. Kill me, please, already. And now I'll post every day. I'm not leaving one day without posting because vlogging makes me feel good, and engineering ke sath sath it's important that you do something that makes you feel good so your soul doesn't feel dead. Stay tuned for a new vlog tomorrow, which is I'm gonna go study because I'm a slave. Goodbye.